Hey guys, so today is June 9th. I'm currently on my way to get my lashes done. I'm sitting in traffic. My appointment is at 1:30. It's like, I don't know, probably like 1:15-ish. So.
This shit from you, come get it back in blood. Bitch, come get it back in blood. We ain't masked up, no Dodge Riggs, niggas know who it was. It's stolen shit just like the 80s. Want some back, get it in blood. Yeah, you know who took that shit from you, come get it back in blood. If a nigga killer ain't there, you sure no RP shirt. We had 300 shots up in the car before we picked up 30. Niggas who ain't got shit going, go grab a glizz and get alert. Shots to people's RP and Reezy in the dirt. You gotta know I go too far. Got some hoes up on this 100. One of them might stand for O-Block. I threw some shots left up in the K-15, still in the clock. Leave my door unlocked and stop. I like getting on feet, walk the car. We get up close, doing dirt, I ain't showing love. 11,000 all ones, left my right pocket in the club. Your faces up on me dirty, I went got it out the mud. If I took some, get it in blood, I don't give a fuck where we was. Bitch, I got my own, if I don't need security in the club. All they woofing on the net, nigga, I thought you was a thug. I ain't got nowhere to go, I shot up everywhere they was. Yeah, you know who took this shit from you, come get it back in blood. Bitch, come get it back in blood. We ain't masked up, no Dodge Riggs, niggas know who it was. It's stolen shit just like the 80s. Want some back, get it in blood. Yeah, you know who took that shit from you, come get it back in blood.
Killed your man, you keep on talking, better get that shit in blood. Give my shorty them a dub, then they gon' walk inside the skin. Hit his little ass with that switch, I bet that switch up his nerve. Fuck the opposite out my city.
Yeah, so my lashes are done. They look bomb as hell as always. Lash by O'Dallas. My skin is a mess right now, but anyway, here's the dilemma. My hair appointment is at 4:30. It's currently 3:30. It's gonna take me about 30 minutes to get home, but I kind of just feel like I should go to my appointment, because if I go home, as soon as I go home, I'm gonna just have to, I'm gonna get home by 4 o'clock, and it's gonna take me like 20 minutes to get to her place, you know. But I feel like if I go now to her place, I'll be like sitting there for at least like 20 minutes. So maybe I should just get some lunch or something, maybe like some Subway, and then go to my appointment.
Can I hear the making my temperature rise? If you leave me, I could die, I swear. You are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest. Your loving it don't me. I am so obsessed. I want to go chop your coffee. Now I need a carry she will let. Open a make I see what they. You're my love 150. If you make a bad man sing, no. I don't care what they said, cause you matter. Now him I want to carry from my head every night. Now you are want to carry to my bed. Oh, no. Don't tell me no. You could be my partner, never ride it solo. And we can do I'm low, you no need to party. I feel know what you're doing, now you have to be carry go. Your body never carry shit. Open up, make I see. Now you waiting cause I fancy. They do me at the party. Oh, no.
Okay, y'all, so I just finished getting my hair done. It looks bomb. It's still like really wet right now, so you know, but it looks super good. I'm about to go get cash so I can pay her because I forgot to get some. So yeah,
I go show you loving, I go take you to my city.
Hey guys, so today is Saturday, June 11th. I'm on my way to get my nails done. This is a new nail tech. I tell you guys in like all my vlogs that I haven't found like my go-to nail tech. So yeah, we're gonna see how this set comes out.
Ass nigga with a sick ass mouth and a slick ass flump. Catch up in around me, nigga, and I'm playing when I'm coming for the kitty. Got my phone, goddamn. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right there. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right now. Niggas got killed for the boy, living dreams in the hills. I ain't running for the boy right now. Goddamn, by the time with a year. We are with them young boys. always feel. I kill, never be killed, that's real, no lie. You can tell it from my peers right now. Heard you wanna fuck me now. Heard you wanna love me down. Heard you can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm down. Freaking nigga, show me something. Nigga like you owe me something. Push it on a pussy like a button. Keep full time, fair time, still getting rowdy in the function. Bitches on my dick like it's nothing. Everywhere I go now, always got shit jumping.
Hey, nice to meet. Hey, who you be? Beast, that's South Beast. Got her clapping to this beat. She invite me to her crib. I walk in, she say my heat. She say, but I live in the hills. That's just the way I sleep. Stop that man.
So this is how my nails turned out, you guys. I got a lot going on, but I really love them. They're extra. Got a piece of glitter stuck in the acrylic, but whatever. Hey guys, so I just finished getting my nails done. They look good. I got like kawaii or kawaii nails. They look pretty good, but my appointment was at 2:30 and it's literally like 6:05-ish. It's a little after 6, and yeah, I have I'm getting drinks with one of my friends. I've never met her, but we follow each other on Instagram. I'm supposed to be getting drinks with her at 7, but I'm like, girl, I'm not gonna make it at 7. So I told her 7:30. I really should have said 8. Honestly, we're going to Fin and Feathers, which is like it's like a really popular place in Atlanta, but they opened one in LA as well. So we're going there. It's gonna take me about 30 minutes to get home. I have to get some gas, so I'm looking for a gas station now. Yeah, I really like my nails, but y'all, I don't know if I'm gonna book again because like she moves so slow, and it was so cold in there. The chair she had doesn't have no back support. I don't know.